I'm going to talk about Kalay Cloud, but first of all, we're going to introduce a little bit about the company and our platform. So first up, a little bit about ThruTech. We're headquartered in Taipei, and we have offices in Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and in Shanghai. Now, we have 150 people. Now, the key thing here is more than 120 of those are software engineers. And what does that mean for you? 120 software engineers means that you get the customization you need to differentiate your brand and create a competitive product in the market. Now, creating a competitive product, there are many facets to this, and another facet is a strong ecosystem. And we have a huge partner ecosystem built up over 7-8 years. Now, if you look at here, we have OEM manufacturers, where it could be cameras, plugs, smart home system. Even over here, we have Sampo as a partner doing aircon and heating, and chipset vendors. Now, what does it mean if you have also including cloud services, for example, Amazon is our partner. Now, what does that mean if you have this kind of ecosystem? It gives you time to market. It means because we've already enabled with these different facets of the ecosystem so that you can get your device to market quickly. It also means choice. Basically, if you're a brand trying to get a device to market, we give you a number of different partners to work with to allow you to choose and to differentiate the product again. Now, these are our operating statistics. At the moment, we have 6 million devices connected, and we make over 90 million connections a month. Again, we would say we have the most robust cloud infrastructure for IoT in the market at the moment. So what does that mean for you? As a brand, it means that you don't have to worry about the services provided for your product. Now, IoT is a new thing, so a lot of hardware guys come to us and they say, but what happens in a year and a half's time if, my device, it still needs to connect to the internet, I still need to be streaming video, I still need to be turning these lights on and off. Who's going to do that? Okay, well, we're going to do that because we're a platform provider, a software platform provider, and however long you need to guarantee services for your customers, we guarantee it for you. Now that's the benefit of working with a software provider. So let's have a look at our platform now. First of all, what does Kalay mean? Kalay means handshake in the Tao Aboriginal language. There are about 12 Aboriginal tribes in Taiwan. And we chose this word because it fits in with our company vision of connecting all devices. So, this is our platform structure. Now, as I mentioned before, we're a complete platform for getting your connected device with services to market. So, at the base here, we have our chipset layer. Here we have our Kalay Connect module. Now, Kalay Connect supports Z-Wave, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, but it also has the APIs that you're going to put on the device and inside the client in order to get connected. In the middle here is the cloud modules, which manage your services. And at the top, we have various different standard applications that people can use to help them quickly get to market. If you want to do a camera, we have a standard application for that. And then you can either use that or you can customize it for your needs. So, this is, again, just showing the previous slide from a different angle, really a graphical representation. Here are all the different devices. So our API is our solution. You can put in any device. I mean, you want from aircon to cameras, to plugs, gateways, anything you want to connect, we can do it. Our cloud is here, and then on the device side, we have iOS, Android, and Windows applications and support. So finally to our core modules. So first up is the P2P relay server. Now this is the module that does the transmission of data between the different devices. And what we've done a little bit different here is that we've done P2P and relay together. Why? Because actually, smart home and IoT is a new thing. People are connecting anything from coffee machines to, but who really wants that? Does anybody see, is there real true functionality in that? What we're seeing in the market, the true functionality is in home surveillance. And home surveillance means video. And video means lots of data. Expenses for your consumers. So by using P2P, we save money for the end user because it's not going up to a server and down again. The data is going straight P2P. P2P also means faster connectivity. From the moment you receive a message to say to look at the video, we'll have that open and you can start looking at it, start streaming in maybe a couple of seconds. Now, if you use straight relay, it'll be 5 or 6 seconds for that. So P2P offers faster speed. The second thing is notifications. We just mentioned, I just mentioned the whole idea of you receive someone's in your home, and if the sensors go off and then they send a message, what you need then is a push message server to send messages to your phone to say, hey, you know, a vase has been knocked over, something's gone wrong in your home, do you want to have a look? So the push message server handles that. And the solution we're showing here is actually not just pushing to a phone, but pushing to a TV set. And because basically for the home now, for many people, TV is still the center of everything. So if you can manage to push a message to the TV, it makes it much more convenient for everybody. Okay, so we mentioned security before. What happens if someone does break into your home and you want to see what happens? You don't just need streaming, you need recording. So this is onto this module. VSAS module is a cloud-based recording system. Now again, what we do different from other people is we combine P2P and relay together. So P2P, so for one application you can either stream to the application and look live, or you can, and at the same time it's recording to the cloud for you. Here's a little representation. We use Amazon. So the recording is going up to the cloud here, and then very easy to integrate other third-party APIs, video analytics in there. Perhaps you want to do facial recognition. So you just integrate it in with our cloud recording at the top here. And these are just our apps here. So we have, as I said, for cloud recording, we have apps for the iPhone, iOS, and also a web interface here. Okay, next module is our logic engine. What does this do? This makes it more smartly automate your home. What do we mean by that is you want to be able to, basically, when you get home, or you want to be able to set up a bunch of rules. When you get near the house, the camera comes on, the lights go on, even your coffee machine goes on. So this module is here to create that logic, set the rules of how one device influences another device. And what we do differently, and what we do better than everyone else, is we store those rules in 3 places. We store them on the client, we store them on the device, on the gateway, and we store them in the cloud. So why do we do it like that? Well, if you turn your app off, the rules will still be saved in the cloud and on the device. I guess if your server breaks down, the rules will still be saved on your gateway. So basically, if everything else in the world becomes not smart, your device will still be smart. Your smart home will still be there. Maybe this is not so smart. Again, it's a little picture of a demo situation. Even integrated third-party APIs like Yahoo here, so you can set it up that if If it's 30 degrees today, you're going to turn on the aircon. If it's 5 degrees, you're going to turn on the heating, based on the Yahoo weather. Okay, final module to look at is your device management. What's the key to device management? It's to help people, brands, whoever is shipping this kind of device, to know better about their customers, know how many they are, in what countries they are, what services they're using, what times they're going online, whether they're using P2P or whether they're using Relay. And also our account management module is there for, many people already have an account management system, but if they don't, then this is there to help them. So finally, why Kalay? So we touched on this a little bit before, but the key advantages of our system are time to market. As I mentioned, we have APIs ready at device level. We have a cloud structure. We have applications ready for people to use. This saves time, and also we support more than 100 chipsets, meaning that if you're thinking about taking advantage of the IoT opportunity this year, we are the right partner for you. Now, we also mentioned before the robust platform. Again, if you're a little bit worried about how to provide services for your customers, for the length of your device and how long you need that device in the market, we take care of that with our platform, which already supports more than 6 million devices. And the final part is the cost-effective and easy solution. Now, what we mean by that? Easy setup. Actually, we kind of created the consumer market for video surveillance with our unique ID solution. The unique ID solution is just a barcode that you can scan, and that allows you to set up network connections. You can avoid doing network settings, which the average user has no idea how to do. And the last one is the P2P technology. As we mentioned before, P2P for video saves bandwidth and reduces costs for your end user. And I think that's it.